Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Rosito again. So, in math workshop today, we are going to learn the importance of being a active listener. So, an active listener is somebody who is listening to whoever is speaking and also repeating it in their head as somebody is speaking so that they can remember it. And this year in math, this is going to be very important because we are going to be learning from each other. Even though a lot of us are remote, we are still going to be live. So you are going to be listening to me share strategies and then also listening to your peers share strategies. We will also be sharing our math work in Google Classroom. So we are going to practice this today, and then you are going to complete another math activity from the math choice board from yesterday, and I posted it again for you under the math tab for September 9th. So I'm going to share a story about how I like to spend my weekend. And what I want you to do is practice being an active listener. Listen to what I am saying. And then when I'm finished, you are going to jot down on a piece of paper or on a Post-it, anything that you might have. You are going to write down what I said. Not word for word, because I don't expect you to have memories like that. But I want you just to write down a few of the important things that I like to do over the weekend. Okay, so over the weekend, I really like to try and sleep as late as my two children will let me. I love when they come into my bedroom and wake me up in the morning. We usually snuggle and watch TV. I also like to go for a run, and I like to try to go for a long run because it's the weekend and I have more time to do that. During the week, I usually don't have time to go for a run. Something else I like to do over the weekend is spend time with my family. We love to go hiking and be outside and really just do whatever it is together that we don't have time for during the week when we have school and work. I also really love to plan what I'm going to cook during the week. So I'll look at my recipes, I'll write down what I need to buy at the grocery store, and then I have a planner on my fridge where I'll write down everything that I'm going to make during the week. That way, when I go to the grocery store, I can buy what I need, and then I know exactly what I'm making for dinner during the week. The last thing I like to do over the weekend is to get caught up on chores. I do laundry. Like I said, I go grocery shopping, and I just make sure that I have everything organized and ready for the week, because during the week, my family is very busy and we don't have time for laundry and grocery shopping and chores. So, boys and girls, I mentioned a lot of things that I like to do over the weekend. Go ahead and jot down on a Post-it or on paper some of the highlights of what I do over the weekend, some of the most important things that I do. You don't have to write too many details about it. You could even do bullet points just to write, for example, sleeps in or snuggles with her two kids and watches TV. Those are two examples of some of the highlights that I shared that I like to do this weekend. And then again, your assignment in Google Classroom today is to pick a different choice from our choice board and complete it on a separate sheet of paper. You can share it to our stream if you would like, or you could have a parent email it to me. And I will see you tomorrow.